The second page of Harry Potter. So you put your finger 2 on a G. You just finished the last bit down here, so you have to come up 2 notches. Here's middle C. So we go 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 5, 4, 3 on the black. Then thumb goes to the bottom F sharp, the bottom note here of the 3, and you tuck your finger 2 onto the next white note, which is a G. Then we go back to 4 on the B, 3 back on the black, and then we do a mega jump all the way down to the bottom of the 3 black notes here again. Okay, and then you do a slide up to B and back to the top. So I'm going to play that again, just singing the fingers and playing. 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 5, 4, 3, 1, 2, 4, 3, jump, slide, top.